In this video, I'll show you how to change your Udemy name. Changing your name on Udemy is useful if your profile name is incorrect, you want your certificate to show the right name, or you need your account information to look more professional. First, open Udemy in your browser and sign in to your account. It is usually easier to change profile details from a desktop browser, but you can also check the mobile app if you prefer. Once you are logged in, click your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings or Profile, depending on the layout you see. Next, open your profile settings. Look for the name fields, such as first name and last name. Enter the name you want to display on your Udemy profile. After typing your updated name, scroll down and click Save. Refresh the page and check your profile to make sure the new name appears correctly. If you are changing your name because of a certificate, open the completed course and check the certificate again. In some cases, the certificate may update automatically after your profile name is changed. If it does not update right away, refresh the certificate page or download it again. Make sure you use the exact name you want shown publicly and on certificates. Avoid nicknames or spelling mistakes, especially if you plan to use the certificate for work, school, or professional purposes. If you cannot edit your name or the change does not appear on your certificate, contact Udemy support and explain the issue. Include your account email, the course name, and the name you want displayed. Changing your Udemy name only takes a few steps, but it is important to review it carefully before saving. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.